Today we are unboxing the one and only Worm Factory. I've been waiting to get my hands on this box. This system turns your everyday kitchen scraps into amazing nutrient-rich compost. So let's stop talking about it and dig right into the box. Well, right away, my first impression is everything's packed nice and neatly. Looks all put together here. Let's see what we got. Okay, right on top here we have the lid. Oh, this is awesome. It's got a quick tips lid. It's got handy tips there, so you never have to guess at what you're doing. That's super handy. Alright, next up we have, I believe, what is the base. And right here is the spout for the spigot. This collects excess moisture, which turns into something called worm tea, which is perfect for fertilizing your plants. So right away, you see nothing goes to waste. Okay, now let's get into the startup material. The Worm Factory includes everything you need to make your worms feel right at home. So for instance, inside this bag here, it's a block of coil, which is a coconut fiber, which you're going to have to rehydrate, and you use it for the worms' bedding. We also have some humus here to help with aeration and drainage. Here we got the spigot, which will attach to the base that I showed you earlier. And here we have some shredded paper and cardboard. This is the key element for the bedding too. They literally give you everything for the perfect starter home for your worms. And of course, we also have our handy scraper. This is great for harvesting the finished compost. And our 12-page manual. This manual will walk you through anything you need to know step by step. And finally, the moment that we've been waiting for, this is the heart of the Worm Factory. What these are here are stackable trays. And as I pull them out, I'll show you that you can see that it has this grid here. This is the heart of it. This is what collects everything. So here's the end product. What happens here is the worms in the bottom tray finish off the scraps there, and through the grids that I showed you, when the scraps are done, they migrate to the next tray up where you have to put new scraps. And this way, you never have to separate the trays. All the compost gets composed to the bottom. It's just a brilliant idea. You never have to separate the worms. It's a continuous cycle, up and down, up and down. So here you have it, folks. Everything you need to start composting your kitchen scraps and turning them into black gold for your garden. It's way less intimidating than it seems, and honestly, it's really rewarding and a lot of fun. So you can get your own Worm Factory by going to dripworks.com. I appreciate you guys watching our video today. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, aloha, and we'll see you next time.